Biopharmaceuticals are transforming the pharmaceutical industry. They're helping patients with chronic illnesses and cancer and are poised to be a major growth engine for improving healthcare and the economy. To fully realize the potential of biopharmaceuticals, we need to solve the current skills gap. The need for an educated workforce has been cited as the single largest constraint to growth in this sector. The Center for Biopharmaceutical Education and Training is Albany College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences' response to this pressing need.
Welcome and thank you for joining us today for a tour of CBET. Located at SUNY Polytechnic Institute's beautiful nanotech complex, a location that exemplifies collaboration and innovation in manufacturing excellence at the nexus of academia and industry. CBET is an important new resource for New York State and the Northeast, which has one of the largest biomanufacturing clusters in the world. At CBET, we help the biomanufacturing industry grow by supporting the workforce of today with short, intensive training programs, and by expanding the workforce of tomorrow through undergraduate and graduate educational programs. It's now time to get our tour underway, and I would like to turn things over to CBET Associate Director, Dr. Julian Rosenberg.
Thank you for the introduction, Dr. Rashid. In addition to serving as CBET's Associate Director, I direct the college's new one-year Professional Science Master's program in biomanufacturing, which prepares individuals to make an impact in the biopharmaceutical industry. The PSM program combines theory with hands-on lab work using the latest bioprocessing technologies, and it's coupled with an internship and a capstone project with a biopharmaceutical company. I'm delighted to show you around our upstream and downstream labs, which are equipped with the latest technologies, including single-use and automated systems capable of batch, continuous, and perfusion processes. In these training labs, students will complete hands-on projects across the biomanufacturing continuum. So let's begin with our labs, which hosts a variety of unique platforms to support experiential learning.
We're now in our Upstream training lab, which is used for mammalian cell culture and fermentation and features state-of-the-art bioreactor systems and bioprocessing equipment. Here we provide hands-on training to traditional graduate and undergraduate students as well as industry trainees using top-of-the-line bench-scale instrumentation to produce antibodies, recombinant proteins, enzymes, and vaccines. In the Upstream Lab, we have an exceptional suite of bench-scale bioreactors to teach students and trainees how to scale up from T-flasks to spinner flasks and then all the way up to multi-liter bioreactors. Our programs feature a mini bioreactor system, which allows us to run cultures in parallel, which is very important for training purposes to demonstrate scaled-down approaches to optimize culture conditions, and it also enables CBET to offer contract research services to industry. We have a very versatile 3-liter bioreactor platform which can be used for both cell culture and fermentation applications. The control tower has the flexibility to run both, and this is very valuable for academic research, and again, it can be leveraged for R&D projects with industry collaborators. We have 2 fully automated cell viability analyzers which provide rapid and accurate viability analysis, basically measuring live and dead cells, and this is essential for understanding upstream process performance. These systems are much faster compared to manual techniques, and they also reduce the potential for human error. They have a large sample capacity with small individual sample volumes for high throughput work. Now let's head over to the Downstream Lab. Welcome to the Downstream Lab, which focuses on protein purification, QA/QC, and final formulation of biopharmaceutical products. Equipment in this lab includes a high-content live cell imaging system. This is a very powerful wide-field microscope capable of long-term imaging in 3 dimensions. I'm a very visual learner, so to see what's going on inside a single cell in terms of the turnover rate and accumulation of recombinant proteins is very exciting. This instrument can really illustrate the intracellular pathways and subcellular localization to the students in extremely crisp renderings. We have 2 different scales of protein purification platforms in the Downstream Lab. They are both really the workhorses of this space, and they're used for buffer exchange and final purification of protein products. Our UHPLC is a highly specialized chromatography system which allows us to analyze individual biomolecules for quality control and impurity analysis. And the sample retention time on this unit is very short, so the results become available very quickly compared to older technologies. At CBET, a key to our success is the ability to connect the biomanufacturing industry with CBET faculty and staff. For workforce development, some of the best learning and training opportunities come from working together on industry-relevant projects. At CBET, we recognize that students represent our future science leaders, so providing them with first-class training and a curriculum that's looked at through the lens of industry is central to our mission.
Well, thank you for touring CBET today. As you can see, there are some very special things about this facility. It is the only bioprocess center in a pharmacy school. This is really important. Nobody knows the science of drug action like a pharmacist. In particular, no one knows formulation like a pharmacist. Formulation is the final stage in the manufacturing process, and so it's very natural to get pharmacists involved in biomanufacturing. CBET faculty and staff will work collaboratively with industry partners on contract research and get our students involved in that. These contract research projects fuel innovation and really support the biopharmaceutical industry in our region and nationally. Thank you again for watching this video. We will keep you apprised of future developments in CBET.